All right, welcome back, everybody. We are here with Heidi and Henry right behind me. There's Tom. Say what's up, Tom. What's up? So Micah's still at work. He couldn't be here with us today. We'll catch him up on the next one. No big deal. So this is the start. This is where it all begins right here. Season 2, Episode 1. This is our first job. And this job is really special. It's really cool. These are some great people here behind me. We are getting ready to we're going to show you around, show you what's going on, and we are getting ready to do one of the most coolest custom epoxy slabs. We're going to trick it out, LED lights, the whole 9 yards. So the selection right here behind me, check that bad boy. 8-footer. It's red oak. So it's going to be drop dead gorgeous. We're still not sure of the color yet. We're going to get to that in just a second. If y'all want to follow me in here, I want to show you what's going on. So this is the box we're working with. Check that out. So they've already finished the room out. This is gorgeous. Working man, got all his tools, all his toys up here. We're going to have to borrow a few of these, by the way. Check it out. Popcorn. Look, Shannon, if you're watching this from the Daily Grind, you know you want that. Got the entertainment center over here. Just nice, man. This is really going to pull all this together. So we're going to get this thrown down in here. We just wanted you all to see what we were working with. This is a really special project. So this couple is about 10, 15 minutes from our house. And where we're working right now, it's right on our way home. So it's really cool. It's kind of a help situation. They needed help. They bought everything. They were just biting their fingernails trying to figure it out. Didn't want to mess nothing up. So they called me. And when they called me, because it is not out of our way and it's kind of convenient to come over here, we came over here and we're going to throw this together for them for free. That's right. Well, actually, I'm stretching that. They're going to buy us pizza. So, we love pizza, so that's going to work out for us. We get a video out of the deal and some cold Mountain Dew, so we're game. So just wanted to tune y'all in and show you what's going on. We're going to keep you updated, let you see it as it's going through. Over the next couple of weeks, here and there, we'll pop out some more videos and tie it in with this one. So a lot of cool stuff coming up. We got a shower getting ready to come out for either episode 3 or 4. So as usual, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching, and we'll see y'all back real soon. Say bye-bye. Bye.